Hey everyone, it's me, American Girl 13 with Sonali, and I got tagged by American Girl 52, and I'm gonna answer the questions and stuff. So the first question is, who was your first AG doll? Well, I got Sonali and Krissa at the same time, but I did open Krissa first, so like technically it's Krissa, but mostly it's like Sonali and Krissa. But okay, and then the second question is, what is your favorite type of American Girl doll? Well, I like the Just Like Yous. I like the Just Like Yous just because you can like make up their own stories and stuff, and like it's more awesome. And they're more awesome. Okay, the third question is, what is your favorite type of American Girl clothing? My favorite type is girly ears, because their clothing is awesome. They're really cool. Now the fourth question is, do you have a favorite American Girl doll? I do not. Sonali, Krissa, and Logan they're just all fun, and they're all my sisters and stuff. Now the fifth and final question, do you want any more AG dolls? Yes, I would like Lainey, Julie, or another Just Like You doll. Sorry, that's a dog. Okay, so that's what's it, and I tag AG Doll 25, and I take American Girl Son 11. So, better make your videos now. Okay, bye. Comment, rate, and subscribe.